In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find accommodation in the UK for international students. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over some of the best ways to find accommodation in UK as an international student. So, first, for the most obvious one that I recommend everyone look into, it is going to be university accommodations. First, look for on-campus house of residence. Most universities offer on-campus accommodation, which is often a convenient and secure option. You won't have to go through a lot of research and hoops. All that you have to do is talk to someone representative in there, and you might be able to get yourself a room. Alternatively, you might be able to get off-campus accommodation. Some universities have partnerships with private accommodation providers offering a range of options like student halls and private rented accommodation. Because this is going to be different for every single university, I can't show you this on screen. You just have to contact your university. Next, you have the option to go into a private accommodation. This includes flats, houses, and rooms in shared houses. A website that will help you find these shared rooms is going to be Spare Room. So go over to spareroom.co.uk, and in here you will be able to search for area or postcode. And as long as you use any postcode here, you will be able to see the flats around the area. So get any postcode that you have available, you will be able to include it here to look for accommodations near you. So I'm going to type out a random one and click search. So you can look for rooms, flatmates, and also buddies. And once you find any of these, you will be able to see pictures, the price, and then you can message or call them here to get an appointment going. Besides this, you will be able to look in the university accommodation office like I mentioned, student housing websites, private rental websites, and social media groups. You can also use something like the British Council, where you will be able to see a list of registered accommodation agencies, and all that you have to do is contact any of these to see if there are any spots available for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to find accommodation in UK for international students. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.